Alright guys, so today we're talking about apostrophes and commas. So it's two pieces of punctuation. So you need to title your notes apostrophes and commas. So first we're going to talk about apostrophes. They look like this right here. Some people call them a comma in the sky. Not entirely accurate, but it's a good way to think of it. Apostrophe is up high on the line that you're writing on. So there are two basic uses of an apostrophe. Okay, so write this down. Right here, write it down. The two basic uses of an apostrophe are to show possession, or that you own something, and to form a contraction. So that's two words put together. So first, we're going to talk about apostrophes that show possession, so that you are owning something. So, write this down. And then you're going to pick one example to write down. So to show possession, use an apostrophe S after any singular noun or any word that does not end in S. So any normal singular noun, that means just one noun, or any word that doesn't end in S, use apostrophe S. Okay? So Jimmy's car, school's furnace, Ross's house. Notice, let's go back here for a second. Stop. Notice that even though Ross ends in an S, you're still adding an apostrophe S because it's singular. There's one Ross. So, write this down right here. So, if a plural word, that means you're talking about more than one, ends in S, use an S and then an apostrophe. So, all of the teachers, you're talking about more than one because we use the word all of the teachers, apostrophe, desks were moved. Some of the drivers' cars were damaged. So you're talking about more than one driver. So S and then an apostrophe. Pick one of these examples to write down in your notes. So next, we're going to talk about how to use apostrophes to make contractions. Write this down right here and then pick an example. Okay. So use an apostrophe to make a contraction. A contraction is two words put together. She plus is equals she's, has plus not equals hasn't, and will plus not equals won't. So, some important rules of apostrophes. Write these down. Don't use apostrophes to make words plural. Do not do it. If you are trying to say 3 cars, don't even think about putting an apostrophe if they're not owning anything. If you're just talking about the 3 cars, do not use an apostrophe. This is important. It will make me upset. Okay? Next, with possessive pronouns like hers and yours, you don't need apostrophes. And make sure that you have a real word before you put the apostrophe. So the word children's is not a word, so you can't have it before the apostrophe. You have to have children apostrophe S. And then treat singular nouns ending in S like normal, like we had Ross in that one example, boss, Thomas, right? They're singular, so you just treat them like normal, apostrophe S.